And today it's the 29th of April 2022, and we have Piettasenkatu 14 staircase here. We're essentially putting with 4 staircases, but we're filming them from D to A here now, so that we don't have to go to walk too much. The best is 4 persons, so 305 grams, and it was built by Otis with Series 1 fixtures. The gym of this building is located in the nearby Piettasenkatu 4 staircase with the 1993 novel.
Yeah.
It's just really nice, so you can watch that one as well. This was also built in 1993 actually. It's turning 30 years old in next year, 2023, when it will be inspected again. And this USB 1NE1394 with 4 floors, and it's fast. Same here as the other one.
Yeah.
But they chose different ones.
Yeah.
I've got to turn right. And I'll see the go. Really nice. This is probably not 93.
Yeah. Dit pakje wijs gefilmd met dit kon.
Yeah. Just for just 4 floors.
Yeah.
I like the smelling here.
Same here.
And that's it, and thank you very much for watching. This can also be late 1993 if the nearby is 94.
Yeah. That's